but
Alright guys, we're in the middle of the Dolly Sods Wilderness, just like their way in. We're going to be camping out here tonight, and right now I'm going to try to catch something for dinner, even if it just ends up being some creek chubs, maybe some crayfish, maybe some trout. We'll see what happens.
Hey, a waterfall right there.
Yep.
Wow, that's a legit waterfall. I was thinking I'd do some sidewalks to get down, but we have to be done. Guarantee a pathway's down there.
Yeah, I don't know how you'd have to hike way up and around.
Yeah, did you go up that path at all?
No, you think there's a path all the way? And there's another waterfall down there.
Wow. Yeah, I want to get over there.
You want to try to just go straight up in the woods here?
I mean, you definitely could.
Why not? All right, we made it. There is the first set of waterfalls. There's a bigger one up around the corner here. All right, we've had very little success finding fish around here, at least trout. So we're going for creek chubs now and crayfish. So, yeah, we'll see what we're able to cook up. If not, we've got chili as backup. That's pretty small. I don't know if that's keeper size. Hey, Peter.
Yeah? Nice.
Pretty small, huh?
They're all tiny. Bag it.
All right, Peter says keep it. If we get enough of these, maybe it'll be worth it. Oh, there's a bigger one down there. All right, I better get the container. All right, we've got 4 crayfish and a nice big creek chub, one of the guys Dustin caught, but we're going to try to set up a crayfish trout out of this water bottle, and maybe we'll still catch something this evening. We'll see. Just going to throw some fishing string through here, tie it at a couple points to hold the upside down lid. Alright, that's our trap. I'm going to put an open can of cat food in here, some fish guts, and then we're going to tie a rope on it, find a deep pool, and put it out there and pull it up later, see if we can get some crayfish.
That's half of what you got left.
Looking good.
Dustin,
Yo,
I'm about to blow your mind.
what's up?
Did you get bacon on your dog yet?
No, not yet. Oh, no, I got it on there.
All right. You should crush these on top.
Oh, crush some Cheez-Its on that?
Cheez-Its?
Dude,
Tell
could
me
you
that
crush
isn't a
me
good
some
idea?
Cheez-Its?
I think you also probably
Crush some
put it in
Cheez-Its
that
on
first
there.
stick.
Crush me a Cheez-It or two?
No, I mean,
Wait, what'd you say? No,
what is it
me?
all about?
I like the idea.
Yeah, I like it
Kind
too.
of makes me feel like I'm in prison, but I like it.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's like, it's very jailhouse.
I know, like,
It's like adding cheese to your
Oh,
hot
add
dog.
that crunch.
Dude, I'm jealous I didn't do that.
This is good, man. This is, see, this is
We were looking for that. That's
is
innovation.
ingenuitive, man,
That's
yeah.
innovation right there.
this is what this is cookbook material.
It's been sitting all night. Let's see what we got.
You got some crayfish in there.
Wait, is
I
that?
thought it was all crayfish.
it's a lot of crayfish.
Let's see.
They're big.
Yeah, they're all pretty good size.
That's bigger than any we were catching last night.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job, guys.
I mean, there's not room for another one to get in there. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Dude,
they're
those
so
are big.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That's like a lobster.
Yeah.
Nice. We got all the big ones in there.
You got a rough idea how many are in there?
That's big. Maybe like a dozen at most. Probably
Still,
less
but
than
at their
that.
size.
Yeah, they're big.
They're all good size.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can look in through the clear side. Yeah, you can't really see it that well. We'll have to look at them once they're
So
out.
we know that trap works.
Yeah. Good size.
Good batch of crayfish right there. Good sized crayfish. I'll cut it. But, so just twist it like that.
Just twist the tail. Yep.
Hey, Jack, can I get
Take
one
that
of
out.
those?
Yep.
Suck that.
Suck on that.
It's very hard to.
That's where you get some flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too many rocks. Terrible design.
And that's about that.
They're fired.
Yeah.
They basically just work down that whole shell down to the tail.
Yeah.
So, if you just crack the first ring off, you can pull the whole tail out without cracking the rest of the tail.
Having trouble getting the.
That's a lot of work.
Oh, I see how they're.
You'll see how it'll.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. I dig it. That Zantarans.
All right.
I think
There's
that
your
groundhog
bouncing.
with the fat on was a little better. So.
That's not a whole lot.
Yeah, that was
but-
probably the tastiest dish we've made in a long time.
Nah, that
I mean, that's pretty good.
buck rib.
Hours into getting
But-
everything.
Get something
We
out of it.
tried to smoke buck ribs, and we over smoked. Oh man! And it turned
Let
it
me see
into
if I can
powdered
get this one off a
ribs.
little bit better.
Remember the next day we did like 27 tries of me trying to get that arrow to fire.
Oh yeah, the drive-by.
Dude, there were so many issues. Like I'd shoot and it would miss.
Or the arrow would get too hot, and it would like.
It's tough to pull it. It seems like it doesn't want to
Yeah,
break
I was
from the
too
tail.
heavy.
Peter said it
Shoot
might, so I
accurately.
was hoping
I
it
mean, you
would.
got it, but it wasn't.
Oh,
there you go.
Squeeze the bottom.
There you go.
Explosion.
There we go.
That was a good one.
But the thing was because we waited so long, the gasoline kind of like died for a bit. So it like, yeah. I think I
That was
hit
a lot
it
more
at
meat.
the bottom.
Just squeeze it from the bottom.
And at that point, when
Cool.
it went in flames, it's like,
All right.
Cook it right out.
That'll work for me. All right, sorry for a bit of a rough transition there. After having crayfish, we ended up hiking out. Now back at the cars, we're heading to Summersville Lake, where we're going to be doing some more bass fishing and a lot of other trips. So stay tuned. That'll be in the next video. See ya.